It looks like 2025 might be the year smart rings finally take over, and if you've been thinking about upgrading your smartwatch, you might want to hold off because what's coming next could completely change the way we track health, fitness, and even payments. Smart rings are officially going mainstream, and tech giants from Samsung to Oura to Apple are racing to dominate this new wearable market. So today, let's dive into why everyone's suddenly talking about smart rings in the US and whether they're actually better than your smartwatch. First off, let's talk convenience. Smart rings are way lighter, more discreet, and don't need daily charging like most smartwatches. The new generation of smart rings, like the Samsung Galaxy Ring and the Oura Ring Gen 4, are bringing features that rival or even outperform the Apple Watch. Imagine tracking your sleep, heart rate, stress levels, and body temperature, all from your finger, without a bulky screen. And yes, these devices are designed to look like actual jewelry, stylish enough to wear anywhere, whether it's a gym or a business meeting. The biggest selling point though? Battery life. Most smart rings last 5 to 7 days on a single charge, something even the latest Apple Watch Ultra 2 can't match. And for a lot of US buyers who just want fitness tracking and notifications, that's a major reason to switch. Samsung's Galaxy Ring is expected to work seamlessly with Galaxy phones, offering real-time health metrics, sleep coaching, and even integration with SmartThings for smart home control. Meanwhile, Apple is rumored to be testing an Apple Ring prototype, and knowing Apple, it could completely redefine what wearables can do. But it's not just about fitness. In 2025, smart rings are expanding into new territory: contactless payments, digital keys for your car or home, and even AI-powered wellness suggestions. Imagine getting a haptic nudge on your finger reminding you to move, hydrate, or breathe, without ever looking at a screen. Now, you might be thinking, what about accuracy? Well, smart rings actually sit closer to your arteries, meaning heart rate and temperature data can often be more precise than wrist-based trackers. Early tests of the Galaxy Ring show better consistency in sleep tracking and SpO2 data than many smartwatches on the market. For US fitness enthusiasts, that's huge. But not everything's perfect. Smart rings have smaller batteries and limited interfaces. No notifications are displayed for most models. You'll still need your phone to view detailed insights. Also, sizing can be tricky, so you'll have to make sure it fits just right. Still, these are minor trade-offs when you consider how comfortable and sleek they are to wear 24/7. Another big reason these are trending in the US is privacy. Many people are tired of smartwatches constantly buzzing and tracking every move. Rings offer a simpler, quieter experience, just the essentials, without distractions. They're also perfect for sleep tracking since they don't glow or vibrate at night. So, will smart rings replace watches completely? Maybe not yet, but they're clearly carving out their own market. The fact that Samsung, Apple, and even smaller US startups are investing millions in this tech tells us one thing: this is where wearables are headed next. Over the next year, expect to see more brands joining in, cheaper options under $200, and even customizable rings with interchangeable outer shells. That's right, fashion meets tech. And if you're wondering whether you should buy one now or wait, I'd say hold on just a bit longer. Once Samsung's Galaxy Ring officially launches in the US later this year, competition will explode and prices could drop. So before you spend on a new smartwatch, maybe it's time to look at what's coming to your finger instead of your wrist. The future of wearables might just be a ring.